remember the last time I did a vlog like this? Because it's been ages. As per the last, so as per the playlist I have, that the rare trips I take, we are taking a rare trip. Woohoo! Hey, hey. And I'll not be telling the name of the place until we reach there. You can see obviously because the title will be that name, but I won't pronounce it from my mouth. And also my skills have deteriorated very much because I have been doing this for a very long time, but we'll get through it. So this is the room where I used to stay since class 11, and I have really fond memories of this room, and now I'm an adult and this is the baby girl. So I am going on Mayapur ISKCON on the occasion of my birthday with my mama and my nanny. So I planned this trip months back and I was not sure whether I was going to make it or not, but thankfully we could make it and I'm so glad. So I thought I'll vlog, and in the 4 hour of our road journey I slept for 2.5 hours. Because that's what I am. And now I just had chai and babuji cake. So if you know babuji cake, you know babuji cake. And now within an hour we'll reach our destination. And we'll check into the place we are going to stay. Let's go. I wanted I'll shoot something and I thought maybe I'll step down or something, but I did not. And I slept throughout because I was very tired. I woke up at 6. No, I did not wake up. I woke up at 5:30. So obviously, and I was sleepy, so I slept. I am really bad at this. As I love God and my family, so this was the best way to celebrate my birthday. And in this way, we reached Mayapur ISKCON. So this is the room tour. So we have booked the Conch Bhavan at ISKCON Guest House Mayapur, and we are here at Mayapur, guys. Look at this room. So they have given a specific dining area, and we have a mini fridge and everything. There's a small sitting area, and this place is covered. Now you will see the sleeping area. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. We are at Mayapur ISKCON. Woohoo! Yay! Hello guys. So apparently after reaching the hotel, I again slept. And this time I slept till 1. Matlab, this time I did not sleep alone. My mother also slept and Nani also slept, but we slept. We could not wake up. And now we are going out for lunch. So here the system is that they have a coupon system. You have to take coupon before 11, and then you can have like you can go to the Prasadam hall and have lunch from 1 to 3. But we couldn't take coupons because it was only available till 11, and we were in the hotel. We were just trying to understand everything at that time, so we could not get the coupon. So we decided, okay, let's not go this today. Next step we will take the coupon. And dinner also same. Dinner coupon is till 7 p.m. most probably, as much as I've heard and I remember. And that we will try to take pehle because it's 4 to 7 I think. And dinner is around 8:30 to 9:30 again in that hall. So this is my outfit too. I am wearing the same pants with the chicken curry kurta. I'm wearing the same pants because I tried to pack less, which I feel miserably, don't worry, but I tried. So that's why. Also I'm planning to buy a Gopika dress or Radhika dress. So let's see. Also my face is looking full puffed because I just slept. I told this, but nobody's.
So this is the view of the new temple that is being constructed, and also the current temple where Lord Krishna, all the deities, Lord Narasimha and everyone is present, which is attached with the Conch Bhavan. And this is the look from our balcony, and I captured that. The food over there is only veg without onion and garlic, so that was our order. Mummy, hi, bola. So we ordered the aloo paneer rice dal.
So again, I slept for more than an hour, and we will go out now. I'm just sleeping. Entire trip, I'm sleeping.
This was the evening view. You can see the sunset happening beach, and also the lights were lit. So I wanted to capture that view. And as the temple was attached with our bhavan, so it was looking so nice, and the new temple ka view was also very very pretty. So I made a complete recording of it in the morning, but this was the first day where there was programs because it was Rath Yatra time, and also you can see the entire Mayapur ISKCON was decorated with lightings, and I was trying to get as much as view possible because inside the temple mobile phones were not allowed, so obviously I did not try to sneak in my phone or capture anything, so that's why I couldn't. So I was trying whatever outside I can capture, I try to, so I can provide with as much as details possible from my end. Inside the temple premises, you also don't feel the need of mobile because it feels so positive, and the presence is so divine that you really want to capture that moment in your mind forever. So this was how I spent my day one in Mayapur ISKCON, and there is also a video that will come soon of day two of Mayapur ISKCON, where I will be sharing how I am going to spend my day two. So stay tuned for day two. Thank you. If you like it, subscribe. Bye.